Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing super awesome. So, today is actually day 2 for going and distributing the kits for the needy people, elderly people, underprivileged people. So, we have started this drive from yesterday. Today is day 2. So today I have a task of delivering 25 kits to a place called MIVT College Road, where there are 25 families who are underprivileged. So I will be doing this task today, and hopefully everything goes well. It's a very huge blessing in disguise, when you actually help people who don't even have food in this pandemic. And it's such a saddening thing, but that's the way it is. And let's pray everything goes well and we deliver. So everything goes well and we are being able to fulfill the maximum needs of the maximum people around. So basically this is an NGO where we are associated with, and basically we are doing whatever is possible from our side. Let it be medicines, let it be necessities, let it be food. We are trying to help the maximum what we can, what is in our capabilities. And people also, we are open to receive donations, and we verify all these things before we give it to anybody. So the added advantage to the group is basically we basically check things. We just don't somebody calls us and tells us we are in need. No, it does not work like that. We verify the people who are actually in need, and then only we supply. And these are all maximum people, all are bikers. So we are a very huge group of biker girls and boys. So the biker girls actually took the initiative, and I'm blessed to be associated with them. And I'm always in the cause of making a difference, changing and helping people around, because that gives me happiness, and it's a huge blessing actually in disguise. And something which gives me peace of mind is always helping me to help people, right? So God has blessed me with this life, so I need to help the underprivileged, because that small things what you do in your life, right, it's a very huge blessing. And we may think, yes, people are doing good, but every individual can take an initiative of doing a little to make a big difference in the world. Just imagine if every person starts doing, I'm not telling you to go out of your way, but even a small, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, if every individual starts contributing, it makes a huge difference to help the underprivileged people, the elderly people who don't have any support structure. So guys, extend your hands always, because if you give something, right, God will bless you more. And this is something which I have been doing, and I have seen my life changing because of this particular thing, that when you help people, God helps you big time. We are at the location. This is Sham, that's Hansa. So basically we are going to do the distribution here, and you can see we will set people just in line, and then we will start distributing. The list you already have.
Yes, Govindraj has. He has that list.
He has all 25?
Oh, yes.
You check?
Oh, yes. I have not seen the list. He said 30, 40, 50, 80. I said no, the committee has decided.
Well, let's check. No?
You can check.
गोविंदराज 25 का लिस्ट है आपके पास?
ಸರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
हिंदी बात करते हैं?
ಹಾಂ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರು ಲಿಸ್ಟು
हाँ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು
ये 19 है.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
हाँ 25. वेरी गुड. दे ऑल हियर?
ಹಾಂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
सब आ गया?
ಹಾಂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ओके तो चालू कर देगा अभी?
ಹಾಂ
हाँ ये लिस्ट दे देना मेरे को.
एक ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ
ನಾನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
हाँ
ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ओके ठीक है.
Thank you.
Start. Sam, take the.
ಸರ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Thank you. We're done with the packages. There's one balance. Welcome. Telephone number सकता है.
ಇದು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ತಿಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್.
Saying 9:45 you have to get home and all those. Today it's too strict. Not too strict. It's a nice day. Okay. See you.
Now you will escort me back home.
ಸರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Okay, thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
List ಬೇಗ
ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ಬೇಗ.
You start your bike. Then you share. I will just take the list and then. Finally, the list. We have distributed the 25. Yes.
Thank God today was a fantastic day. We were successfully being able to, in spite of all the hurdles, we successfully delivered 25 for packed ration kits to the needy people, the underprivileged. So God bless them, and let's extend our hands and do such kind of things to help mankind. God bless. See you in my next vlog. Love you all.